Hi guys, and welcome to another unboxing and first impressions. Today we're unboxing something very special. It's the latest model from Wise called Asura, and it comes in this ancient looking book with leather covers, and this wooden part is made to resemble like the pages of a book. The reason for this kind of, I don't know, occult looking thing is because Asura means a demon. And this watch does look like a demonic creation. We're gonna open it and I'm gonna tell you why this is such a special watch for me. So let's open this book, which is actually a watch case. Inside you get the warranty, you get a rubber strap, a leather strap, the watch itself, wiping cloth, some tools, and additional spring bars. But let's take out the watch, then we're gonna close the box and zoom in to see it up close. Oh my god, look at it. Oh yes, the demonic creation from Wise that looks like it came from the gates of hell. Oh wow. Okay, so why I said this is a special unboxing for me is because I first saw renders of this watch like almost a year ago, and since I saw the renders I was like, what is that? And they're like, that's our planned next model. And I'm like, I need to get that one, it looks epic. And they were like, sure, once it's ready we're gonna send you one. And it's been so long, but I have to admit the patience has paid off. They actually contacted me a couple of months ago and said they have the black one ready, because this one comes in both a black dial and this, which is called the blood red dial. They said, we have the black one ready, if you want we can send it. And I said, no, I want to wait for the blood red. And I'm so glad I did. Look at the red on that dial. Look at the structure of that dial. The pattern, it looks like a portal into hell. Oh my god. The hands have a bevel, so they're like split in the they're split down the middle, so they catch the light as you turn the watch. You have a small seconds, so just incredible. I'm sorry I'm so excited, but this thing looks even better than on the renders, and I can't wait to do the full review with macro shots and everything, because this is just the unboxing and first impressions. Look at the case. This is definitely the most original design Wise has done so far. Oh my god. Now, if you follow my channel, you know that I praise Wise more than any other microbrand. I call them grand sake of microbrands, and the reason is that they were the first ones in this price range where I did macro shots and couldn't find a single flaw on their watches. Now, they do have occasional like piece of dust or anything, but it's so small and so rare to see that they really match finish wise and quality wise. They match watches costing 10 times as much. Look at the applied, not applied, these markers that are actually brushed, and I can't wait for you to see the full review with macro shots and everything. This watch just plays with the light. Look at the large lugs that are polished, and then you have the brushed sides. Wow. This thing is now in the pre-order phase for I believe $900 and something, $990. When they go full price, they're gonna be $1,600, which is the most expensive Wise so far. And the reason for that is that they finally went from Miyota to a Swiss powered Sellita SW, I believe 260 or something like that. I'll have the specs in the corner of the screen. So this comes with a Swiss movement. Naturally, you get the Rolex styled 904L steel, so Wise always uses 904 instead of 316. You get a sapphire crystal, you get this beautiful leather strap that I'll probably have to switch because this is too long for my wrist, but I don't really care because I just want this watch on my wrist. Oh my god, this looks epic. It's 40 millimeters in diameter by I believe 47 lug to lug, and probably like 10.5 to 11 millimeters thick. Look at the bezel looks almost concave. Very cool. Now the polishing and everything on Wises is always done incredibly well. The dial, the hands, everything is done to such a high degree that they really deserve the moniker Grand Seiko of microbrands. And in this video you won't be able to see it, but I can't wait for you to see the full review when I do the macro shots, and I can't wait to put this under macro. Now usually there's a saying in the watch world, if you want to enjoy your watch, never look at it through a loop, because you're gonna find imperfections, you're gonna get disappointed. With Wise, just like with Grand Seiko, getting it and watching it through a loop is where the fun starts. These watches are so incredibly well made that your naked eyes simply cannot see and notice the craftsmanship that goes into these. This is just epic. Oh my god, it comes with a screw-in crown, 100 meters of water resistance. But even if it had no water resistance whatsoever, I wouldn't care. Just look how beautiful this thing is. Oh my god, I can't wait to start wearing this. So we're just gonna put it on my wrist to see how it looks. We're gonna do a lume shot, although I believe this lume is pretty minimalistic. I mean, you do have it on the hands, but on the dial you just have these lume plots. And that's gonna be it for today. Wow. Okay, so here's the watch on my 6.5-inch wrist, and as you can see, that strap is definitely too long for me, but I don't care because I have a lot of short straps. I always order short straps for all my watches, but the watch itself is not too big. It is slightly bigger than I would like. I would like these kind of watches at 36, maybe 38 millimeters, but at 40 millimeters, I understand why they went with that, to show off that beautiful dial, and I really don't care that it looks slightly big. I mean, it's not overhanging or anything. I just can't wait to put it on one of my straps and wear it. So let's do a lume shot, and that's gonna be it for today. Okay, with the watch charged, let me just zoom in, let the camera focus, and turn off the lights. And there you go, the lume seems okay, and it is pretty bright, but I believe this is not gonna be visible all night long just because the lume plots are just small dots. The hands might be visible because the lume is quite bright, but these hour markers, I doubt they're gonna be visible all night long. But like I said, that's not really something that bothers me because this is not a diver's watch. It's not made to be visible in the dark, and the sheer beauty of it simply justifies any lack of lume that I might find. Anyways, that's it when it comes to this unboxing and first impressions. Like I said, do stay tuned for the full review. I know I can't wait to start recording this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.